Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with what matters, access. Make sure you either know the screen time passcode or the Apple ID used for restrictions, otherwise you'll need account recovery. Once ready, plug into power and confirm Wi-Fi so changes sync. Open Settings, then tap Screen Time. You'll see a dashboard showing downtime, app limits, and content and privacy. Tap into the Screen Time menu now. This gets you straight to the controls you'll disable or adjust next. Now you act. If you want everything off, choose Turn Off Screen Time at the top, then enter the passcode or authenticate with Face or Touch ID. If you prefer selective changes, remove app limits, end downtime, and inspect communication limits one by one. In content and privacy restrictions, toggle the switch off to lift all filters or open categories to relax specific rules, web content, purchases, or location. Make changes deliberately because some affect purchases and privacy. Finish by confirming changes. Go back to the screen time summary and verify limits show disabled. If the device is in family sharing, you may also need to sign out or change parent controls from the organizer's account. If you forgot the screen time passcode, use the Apple ID recovery option when available, or as a last resort erase and restore the device. If changes don't apply, restart the iPhone, then recheck settings screen time. That usually clears sync glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.